Hi friends. So yeah, in today's video I want to be unboxing what I went to the market and bought with my husband. He went for, let me call it, a girls shopping for me and my daughters. Okay, wait. So yeah, he went girls shopping for undies for me and my girls. So this was okay. 31,800. Okay, I think he bought a pack of singlets for himself, but the rest of it is just for me and my girls. Okay. So this is the singlet, that the only thing he bought for himself, which is singlet. Shift, see my phone. Which is singlet. Okay, this is the only thing he got for himself, and we are grateful. So we now we kind of like refreshed our undies. Okay, our inner wear as ladies. First thing first, let me just start to use my own that is blocking everywhere. Bra. Okay, some people will call it brazier. So this is what I got for myself. Being a mom for the third time, I noticed that my breast got bigger, but just something like this is what I wear. So, except wait, now I'm bringing everything out. Okay, one by one. So I got three of the bras. I don't know why, for some reason I don't like shouty colors, so I got brown. I've not really gotten any brown bra for myself before, so I got brown, black, and this should I call it mauve or navy blue? Don't mind Joanne, she just woke up from sleep, so it's normal thing for children to cry whenever they wake up from sleep. Don't fall my phone. But this two bra is the same design. Excel shift now, please. It's the same design. And then I mix it with this one. Okay, so these three for me. Then coming to and of course Kimzi. Daddy bought pants for you. Okay, yes, this hand towel my hubby got that. The one we have is already not good in the eyes again, so we bought new napkins, red and blue, the same design, just difference of color. New napkins. Okay, then coming to my girls, tight for Joanne. This one is Joanne's, so it's small in size. One. Wait, now I'm coming. This for Joanne. One, two. This one is for Joanne. Two. Yes. Chidima's thing. I think it's three that we bought for her. Let me look for it. Because I know it's three. Then the third one, three. I just love the colors. Mama, if I don't spoil those things. Three. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Orange, pink, and purple. I just love the design. This one is for Chimdi, Joanne. Okay. Then for Excel, Chimdi is my second daughter. So if you hear me say Chimdi or Joanne, just know I'm referring to my second daughter. Then for my first daughter, then this one is for Excel, the former. One, two, 3. We got it 3 for them. 3. You see her own is bigger, a little bit bigger than Joanne's own. So this, Excel have something like this before too, but it's already wearing out. So you have to get extra again for her. So 3. You see, this one is for Joanne, this one is for Excel. Different design, so we can know which one is which. Okay. I don't know if I should call this orange or yellow, then purple, then green. Right? It's nice, right? So this for Excel, this for Joanne. Then coming to their pants. Okay, first of all, my husband got for me a pack of pants. So, like I said, it's just more like changing our undies. So this is my own pants. They had to show me, so I selected this design, then with different colors. Okay, and how many inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's plenty. It's plenty, but yeah, this one is for me. This one part is for me. I said drop it. Then coming over to my girls, I have this one. 2, 3. Right? I hope so. This one looks small. I think it's for John. Okay. 3. Because I know this Excel one is 6 that they give her. We selected like 4. The girl now made it up to 6. 3, 4. Okay, I think this one is also part of it. 5, 6. The same design. 5, 6. I did not even know that place exists. I just discovered it today. They're selling wholesale price. So this for Excel. Yellow, the same design, wearing the same design. Yellow, that's 1, 2, 3. This one is blue. 3, 4, 5, 6. This for Excel. So she now has pants.
Yeah, that napkin.
See the napkin. Okay. So this for Excel. That's 6 pants. This one is for Joanne. Initially, I didn't like this pants because it has so many colors, but I mean that's the smallest of it that they have. Okay, 1, 2,
Leave it for her.
3. We
Leave it for her.
got
Leave it
4
for her.
pants.
She'll eat it.
We got 4 pants for Joanne. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. Okay, because we already stopping her diaper, so she should start wearing pants. She's a big girl. By March, today is 1st February. By March she'll be 2 years. So this has 4 pants. I just love the way we bought it because everybody has his own design, so we can easily know whose own is who. Then of course we now bought the singlets, additional singlets. Already my husband already bought singlets before they resumed school. So we added this one. Mommy, please. 1, 2. Okay. 3. This one is for going to school and going out as long as they need singlets. Then 4. This particular type, Excel already has it because they bought it newly before the school session resumed. So these 4 added to the ones they already have, the good ones. I think they are good to go when it comes to singlet. Okay, then of course school socks. School socks is 1, 2, 3, 4 school socks. So yeah, basically all these things is what 31,800. We just thank God for providing anyways. So yeah, unfortunately I could not start naming the exact price of each of them. Okay, where we went, you pick, when you finish picking they'll calculate it based on the price. Okay, so that's how they work their own, except for the ones that are in the pack that might maybe just have this general price for it. But being that we selected, only them know how they count it and the rest of it. That's why I could not get the exact amount of how much each of them cost. Okay, so that's it. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. So we'll be rocking our new underwears. So yeah, I'm also grateful. Thank you to Daddy that bought it for us. And we also pray that God will replenish for him. Okay, with that being said, I'll catch you guys some other time in another video. And I hope by now you must have given this video a massive thumbs up. Okay, please do well to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime, any day I upload here on my channel. Okay, to my returning viewers, subscribers, supporters, everybody, I am so grateful. God bless you all. One love. Okay, catch you guys on another one. Bye bye. And of course, yes, baby is doing fine. Bye bye.